Hi Kamara babes, and welcome back to my channel. And if you are new, welcome to the Kamara crew, where we get lit on hair reviews and hauls, you know, all of that. But let's get to what this really is for. Y'all know what it is. It's already another hair review, you guys. So of course, as you can see, this is a 613 bob human hair wig, 12 inches blonde lace, front bob wig, 180 density. It's pre-plucked also. Short human hair wig, 3x4 T-part lace wig, natural hairline with baby hairs, blonde bob for women. So you guys, this is a beautiful unit. I do not feel like it was a full 180 density. I'm gonna give it 150 thick feeling. So that's what we're gonna say. It was very well pre-plucked in that middle. I think you can do baby hairs, but it was not already baby hairs to where they're placed there already. But you guys, this is a beautiful unit. Super cool for the summer, ladies. You know what we getting ready for, the summer. So we have something very, very cute planned at the end of this video. So make sure you guys stay to see this install. As you guys can see, Kyra has it on right here. This blonde was lit, you guys. It was lit. So stay tuned for the install, ladies.
Tell me why you're crying, how can it be you? When you gave me something I don't really feel, but you knew that already. When I found you on the ground, you were dying. Now you come into my yard uninvited. Come you see me on the edge, I'm enlightened. If the world was ending, would you cry or would you try to get me? Tell me now about what you do in play, yeah. Tell me now, I need you to be clear, yeah. I will wait for you, for you. I will wait for you. I will wait for you. Got me. Can you put the time on a rewind, yeah? Help me understand, can you tell me now why you made a war that we're fighting now? And you fall and you run when you see my big guns. Run around, run away as a rebel comes out. Then you call on me. When you call me, I come. But then you go again with your defiance. Open your mind to the sound of the trumpet. What do you want from it?
Hi you guys, as you can see, you have reached the install part. You guys already see that I am prepped and ready. Kyra still has the hair on, and I'm debating whether I'm gonna curl on camera, off camera, just get it done. But I think I'm just gonna curl on camera once I install. Y'all, I love this hair. Y'all know I put it through the rimmers. I done made up a word. But you know, I put it through a lot just so you guys, if you purchase the hair, you'll know, oh, well, this how it bleached, or this how the lace did, or whatever the situation might be, because I put it through the rimmer. So that's why I said my reviews are always an honest review on the hair, because I know the things that I put it through. When you see me bleaching it, or you see me curling them, seeing how much heat it can take, what it can't take. So those are the things to pay attention to always. You know, at the end of the videos, a 10 out of 10, sometimes I forget. Sometimes I do forget the 10 out of 10. But y'all know it'd be a 10 out of 10 if it's on this. No, I'm just playing. But I do absolutely love this hair. I went for like the honey blonde, brownish, blondish look. I didn't want to keep it all the way blonde. I wanted to try some colors out on it. So I did do the, was it honey brown and cinnamon. So I just mixed it a little bit in, but still where you can see a little blonde highlights in it, as you guys can see. And that's the look that I was going for. I just wanted like colors to come through with them, that blonde. So that's what I went for. That's what I went for. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you guys for making it to the install part. Yeah, I can't wait. I want to see how, y'all know it's bob season. So y'all gonna see this. Y'all gonna see this on this video. Nah, maybe not. But y'all know it's bob season, it's hot. Let's get some cute units. And this is going to be one of them, y'all. I think I'm curling it. I don't know if I'm gonna leave it flat or if I'm gonna do some curls. So, you know, just give your girl a little minute. We gonna figure it out close to the end of the video. You'll see at the end result. So thank you guys so much. Let's get to this install.
The pain and violence. Big tunes, now it's big tunes. I'm killing, crying out from the side now. Call my name, fall down when you see me. You know that I was there for you. I will wait for you, for you. I will wait for you. I will wait for you. Tell me why you gave me something I don't really feel, but you knew that already. When I found you on the ground, you were dying. Now you come into my yard uninvited. Come you see me on the edge, I'm enlightened. If the world was ending, would you cry or would you try to get me? Tell me now about what you do regret, yeah. Tell me now. To be clear, yeah. I will wait for you, for you. I will wait for you. I will wait for you. Got me. Can you put the time on a rewind, yeah? Help me understand, can you tell me now why you made a war that we're fighting now? And you fall and you run when you see my big guns. Run around, run away as a rebel comes out. Then you call on me. When you call me, I come. But then you go again. With your defiance, open your mind to the sound of the drunk and hopeless. Now yeah, you are, you're begging and crying. I want to fly, yeah, I'm flying to morning. Running away to the land of discovery. Running away from the suffering, I'm gone, yeah. Running away from the darkness, I'm out, yeah, yeah. Higher than all the limits, going way beyond the noise and your feelings. When you speak, all I can hear is silence. Turn it back from all the pain and violence. Big tunes, now it's big tunes. I'm killing, crying out from the side now. Call my name, fall down when you see me. You know that I was there for you. I will wait for you, for you. I will wait for you. I will wait for you. Tell me why you're crying, how can it be you? When you gave me something I don't really feel, but you knew that already. When I found you on the ground, you were dying. Now you come into my yard uninvited. Come you see me on the edge, I'm enlightened. If the world was ending, would you cry or would you try to get me? Tell me now about what you do regret, yeah. Tell me now, I need you to be clear, yeah. I will wait for you, for you. I will wait for you. I will wait for you. Got me. Can you put the time on a rewind, yeah? Help me understand. understand, can you tell me now why you made a war that we're fighting now? And you fall and you run when you see my big guns. Run around, run away as a rebel comes out. Then you call on me. When you call me, I come. But then you go again with your defiance. Open your mind to the sound of the drums and the hopeless. Now here you are, you're begging and crying. I want to fly, yeah, I'm flying to morning. Running away to the land of discovery. Running away from the suffering, I'm gone, yeah. Running away from the darkness, I'm out, yeah, yeah. Higher than all the limits, going way beyond the noise and your feelings. When you speak, all I can hear is silence. Turning back from all the pain and violence. Big tunes, now we speak tunes, I'm killing. Crying out from the side, now call my name. Fall down when you see me, you know that I was there for you. I will wait for you, for you. I will wait for you. I will wait for you. Tell me why you're crying, how can it be you? When you gave me something I don't really feel, but you knew that already. When I found you on the ground, you were dying. Now you come into my yard uninvited. Come you see me on the edge, I'm enlightened. If the world was ending, would you cry or would you try to get me? Tell me now, but what did you declare, yeah? Tell me now, I need you to be clear, yeah. I will wait for you, for you. I will wait for you. I will wait for you. Got me. Can you put the time on a rewind, yeah? Help me understand, can you tell me now why you made a war that we're fighting now? And you fall and you run when you see my big guns. Run around, run away as a rebel comes out. Then you call on me. When you call me, I come. But then you go again with your defiance. Open your mind to the sound of the trumpet. What do you want from a life of the hopeless? Now here you are, you're begging and crying. I want to fly, yeah, I'm flying to morning. Running away to the land of discovery. Running away.
We made it. I'm loving these colors. Thanks for watching. Love you guys.